4. Concept number 4. Now see here. Suppose there is Anil Nair and Anil Nair's wife Reshma. Both of them have to meet at 1:55 by 11 minutes. Anil Nair, assume that it is right. Anil Nair is hour hand and Reshma is minutes hand. Both of them will meet at 1:55 by 11. Suppose a teacher is there and students are there. The class will start at 8 a.m. Class will start at 8 a.m. They all are running at a natural speed. If they all meet in the classroom at 7:50 a.m., that means they reached the destination with faster speed. They reached the destination at faster speed. Suppose the class starts at 8 a.m. Both teachers as well as students. Students are not interested to learn. Teacher is not interested to teach. So they both, it reflected in the right classroom discipline. The class started at 10 a.m. That means both of them came at the slower speed. Am I right? That means assume this 1:55 by 11 is nothing but 8 a.m. If the coincidence time is less than 8 a.m., that means these both are traveling at a faster speed. Traveling at a faster speed. Less than 65 by 11 minutes. Faster speed means the watch is going fast. Faster speed means watch is going fast. Watch is going fast. Greater than 65 by 11 minutes. After 8 a.m. they will meet. That means watch is going slow. Very, very easy to understand. You are expected to sit right at the class timing so that you will not miss anything. You came late. That means the time taken by you to travel from source to destination is going slow. Please make a note of this point. Take a screenshot of this. Take a screenshot of this. Less than 65 by 11 minutes. Watch is going fast. Right? Less than 8 a.m., 7:50 a.m. That means these people went at a faster speed. Hour hand and minutes hand went at the faster speed. 8:10 a.m. slower speed. Slow means greater than 65 by 11. Fast means less than 65 by 11. I hope the idea it is clear. Suppose if hours hand and minutes hand, if hour hand and minutes hand meet at 66 minutes, right? In a 24 hours, in what will be the time, whether the watch is going slow or fast? Watch is going slow or fast? Watch is going slow or fast? If the hour hand and minutes hand meet at 66 minutes, right? Whether the watch is going slow or fast in a day of 24 hours. Greater than 65 by 11 minutes. Greater than 65 by 11 minutes. The watch is going slow. The watch is going slow. How much it is going slow? If it is 66 minutes, right? 66 minus 65 by 11, which is nothing but 6 by 11 minutes. If it is 66 minutes, the watch will go slow by 6 by 11 minutes. But I want 24 hours. 1 hour 60 minutes. In 24 into 60, how much it is? 24 into 60 divided by 66 into 6 by 11. I hope the idea it is clear, right? Greater than 65 by 11 minutes means watch is going slow. If it is 66 minutes, the watch will go slow by 6 by 11 minutes. But in a day is 24 hours, 24 into 60, how much it will go slow. Similarly, if it is 65 minutes question, that means the watch is going fast. I hope it is clear. Less than 8 o'clock, both are traveling fast. Watch is going fast. Watch is going fast. Idea is clear, right? From there you can solve. Next one. Concept number 5. Concept number 5. Right? Please write down, sir. Right? Number of distinct meeting points. Number of distinct meeting points. Number of distinct meeting points. Right? Is given by S1 minus S2. If S1 is to S2 is in its simplest form. Is in its simplest form. If both are traveling in the same direction. If both are traveling in the same direction. First make a note of this point, then I will explain. Number of distinct meeting points. What do you mean by there is a circular track? Both are moving in the same direction. S1 and S2. This is the length of the circular track. If one is going faster than the other, obviously there will be certain meeting points, it will be there. I hope it is clear, right? Number of distinct meeting points. For example, if the length is 300 meters, S1 is 20 meter per second, S2 is 50 meter per second, S2 is 50 meter per second. That means after 1 second, second one will take a lead of 30 meters. But I want the lead of 300 meters. That means they will meet after 10 seconds. They will meet after 10 seconds. I will divide the track into 3 parts. I will tell you why am I dividing the track into 3 parts. This is 100 meters. This is 100 meters. 300 I am dividing into 3 parts. These 100 meters. Both have started at the starting point. Both have started at the starting point. Length of the track is 300 meters. S1 is 20 meter per second. S2 is 50 meter per second. Now listen carefully. In 1 second, second one will travel 50 meters. Here it will travel 20 meters. Second one will take a lead of 30 meters over the first lead. But I want 300 meters. So total 10 seconds. In 1 second, 20 meter, 10 seconds means 200. First one has reached here. In 1 second 50, 10 seconds means 500. 100, 200, 300, 400, 50. This is the first meeting point. Are you all with me? Right? Again after 10 seconds, first one will travel 200, 100, 100, 200. One is here. Second one, again 500, 100, 200, 300, 400, 500. This is the second meeting point. Again, after 10 seconds, this is the third. Again 500. This is the fourth. This is the fifth. This is the sixth. This is the seventh. This is the eighth. This is the ninth. So the meeting points will be, how many meeting points are there? 3. You don't need to do all this. These entire kahani which we don't need it. So if 2 speeds are moving in the same direction, these is nothing but 2:5. If they are moving in the same direction, what is 5 minus 2? 3. Directly we will get how many meeting points are there? 3. Concept number 5. Extremely important concept. In a circular track of length L meters, in a circular track of length L meters, in a circular track of length L meters, circular track of length L meters, if 2 bodies start at the same point and move in the same direction, number of distinct meeting points is given by S1 minus S2, where S1 and S2 are in its same simplest form. What do you mean by simplest form? 2 numbers need to be co-prime with each other. HCF of S1 and S2, it is 1. HCF of S1 and S2, it should be 1. That means the number should be co-prime to each other. Sir, why are you solving circular track problems in this one? Because there was a question that was asked in co-cubes last year. Let us see. Speed of the hour hand, it is 1 by 12 division per minute. Speed of minute hand, it will be 1 division per minute. Circular clock is nothing but a circular track. Both the hour hand and a minute's hand are moving in the same direction. Total the length of the track is 60 divisions. Same analogy. So the number of distinct meeting points. Distinct meeting points in clocks, what we call it as the coincidence points. What it is given by? Yes, these ratios should be in its simplest form. 1 by 12 is to 1. It is nothing but 1 is to 12. If they both are moving in the same direction, what is 12 minus 1? 11. I hope it is clear. Why hour hand and minute's hand will coincide 11 times in 12 hours? I hope the concept is clear. By using the circular tracks concept, 11 times 12 hours. 24 hours, it is 22 times. 48 hours, it is nothing but 44 times. 44 times. 44 times. I hope the idea it is clear. But I am not interested in hours hand and minutes hand. The question asked in your exam is minutes hand and seconds hand. Minutes hand and seconds hand. I hope it is clear. Right? 1 by 12 division per minute, 1 division per minute. Number of distinct meeting points. Unfortunately, there is no repeat telecast. You have to buy the course to watch my way of teaching. Right? Number of distinct meeting points. These nothing but problems based on coincidence. Problems based on coincidence. Speed of hour hand. Speed of minute hand. Speed of seconds hand. Speed of minute hand is 1 by 12. These 1. In 1 minute it is 60 seconds. So these nothing but 1 is to 12 is to 720. This is hour hand, minutes hand and seconds hand. All are moving in the same direction. Hours hand and minutes hand will move. Will meet in 11 times. I hope it is clear. If it is hours hand and seconds hand, hours hand and seconds hand, 1 and 720, they will meet 719 times. They will meet 719 times. If it is minutes hand and seconds hand, minutes hand and seconds hand, 12 is to 720, 1 is to 60, they will meet 59 times. Please take a screenshot of this, sir. Please take a screenshot of this. If in a 1 minute, if it goes 1 division per minute, seconds hand will go 60 divisions in 1 minute. Because 1 minute is 60 seconds. Please make a note of it, sir. This is something which you will not find it in the regular textbook. Hours hand and seconds hand. Coincidence. Both the hours hand and second hand will coincide 719 times. 719 times. 719 times. Minutes hand and seconds hand will coincide 159 times. I hope the idea it is clear. Kindly reply in the live chat if it is clear to you. If this is clear to you. Concept number 6. Angle and time period. See here. 2 problems I will explain. Third one onwards you can do it orally. Angle and time period. Question. At what time between 5 to 6 p.m. At what time between 5 to 6 p.m. will both the hands of a clock makes the following angles. At what time between 5 to 6 p.m. will both the hands of a clock makes the following angles. 60, 90, 45, 120, 30 degrees. I want each and everybody to listen to these first two problems carefully. At what time between 5 to 6 p.m. will both the hands of a clock makes the following angles? The first thing, listen carefully, sir. A clock is in the form of a circle. A clock is in the form of a circle. This is nothing but a clock. A clock is in the form of a circle. This is 5 to 6 p.m. This is 5. This is hours hand. This is minutes hand. Listen carefully, beta. These minutes hand can come slowly, 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 slowly. It can make an angle of 60 degrees here, where minutes hand is behind the hour hand. Our minutes hand can come, meet and go forward. And this can be 60 degrees. So there are two cases that are possible. One is minutes hand. One is minutes hand behind our hand. One is minutes hand behind our hand. Another is minutes hand ahead of our hand. Minutes hand ahead of our hand. Minutes hand ahead of our hand. Minutes hand behind our hand and minutes hand ahead of our hand. Now see here. Listen carefully. 5 to 6 p.m. First one. 60 degrees. 60 degrees. Now see here. Step number 1. Convert degrees into divisions. Convert degrees into divisions. Convert degrees into divisions. Total there are 60 divisions are there in a clock. It is nothing but 360 degrees. I want 60 degrees. In divisions it is nothing but 10 divisions. 10 divisions. Now see here. What I told you, this is 5. Either it can be or it can be. Am I right? So time is nothing but d by s1 minus s2. Actually, if it is coincidence, this will become 5 5s are 25. Am I right? It can be behind. So can I write it like this? 25 plus or minus 10? 25 plus or minus 10. Why this minus 10 came? If it is behind. Are you all with me? Right? From here to here. These, right? These nothing but. Plus means it is ahead. Divided by 1 minus 1 by 12. 1 minus 1 by 12. I hope it is clear. Now, in case if it is not clear to you, these nothing but 5. These nothing but 12. These nothing but 12. So, take a scissor and cut it. These nothing but 5. Our hand. These nothing but a minute's hand. 12 to 5. 5 hours difference. 1 hour is 5 divisions. 5 5s are 25. 5 5s are 25. I need 10 divisions. I need 10 divisions. So this will travel only 15 divisions and stop. If I stop here, what is the gap right now? 10. 10 is nothing but 60 degrees. Are you all with me? That is what? 25 minus 10. Or it will travel entire 25 and go forward 10 divisions. This is also 10. That is what I told you. Minute's hand can be behind the hour hand or minute's hand can be ahead of the hour hand. Behind means out of 25 I require 10. Out of 25. See here, sir. This is 25. I require 10. I will travel 15. This is 10. This is 25. I require 10. I travel entire 25. Go forward 10. 25 plus or minus 10 into 12 by 11. 25 plus or minus 10 into 12 by 11. Behind and ahead. So one answer will be 15 into 12 by 11 and another answer will be 35 into 12 by 11. 180 by 11, 420 by 11. Minutes past 5 o'clock. Easily you will get the answer. 35 into 12 by 11, 15 into 12 by 11, 180 by 11. That means 5, 16, 4 by 11 is one answer. 5, 11 3s are 33, 90, 3 8s are. So whatever you get, that itself is the answer. I hope it is clear. Why plus or minus? I hope. Now all the problems will be very easy. 90 degrees, 60 divisions is nothing but 360 degrees, 90 degrees is nothing but 15 divisions, time is nothing but 5 to 6 p.m., 5 to 6 our hand is at 5 o'clock, so 25 plus or minus 15 into 12 by 11, finish answer. If it is 120 degrees, why to use formula? 60 divisions, it is 360 degrees, 120 degrees. These nothing but 20 divisions. So these nothing but 25 plus or minus 20 into 12 by 11. I told you at the beginning of the class, my point of reference is only our hand. I will only solve the questions from our hand as a point of reference. Right? Only our hand position I will take it. No, it cannot be considered Vishwa. Suppose if S1, first person is traveling at 10 meter per second, second is traveling at 30 meter per second. So, this one way, I will make him sit. He will go at 20 meter per second. Both are same. It is under the concept of relativity. I hope it is clear. Only our hand is the point of reference. I hope now all the questions you can solve very easily. 8 to 9 p.m. 180 degrees. Directly bol do sir. 8 5s are 40. 60 divisions it is 360. 180 degrees it is nothing but 30. 40 plus or minus 30 into 12 by 11. If it is 6 to 7 p.m. 45 degrees. These nothing but time is nothing but 30 plus or minus 60, it is nothing but 360. 45, it is nothing but 7.5. 30 plus or minus 7.5 into 12 by 11. Very easy. Very, very easy. Suppose if it is 5 to 6 p.m., our hand has travelled from 12 to 5. 12 to 5 it has travelled. It has travelled for 5 hours. 12 hours is 60 divisions. 1 hour is nothing but 5 divisions. 1 hour is nothing but 5 divisions. 5 into 5, it is nothing but 25. I hope the idea it is clear.